Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get more resolution in Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our search option and going to search setting. Over here you can see. So this is settings, and if you click on that, you will come over settings, home. And now if you click on system and then go for the display option, and if you now scroll down a little bit, you will find advanced display over here. Now if you click on that, you will get display information from over here. You can see my desktop mode 9020 into 1080 60 Hz. So if you now click on display adapter properties for display 1, and we can see this window will be pops up, and here you will find list all modes over here. Click on that, and here you can see my display is set it in 9020 by 1080 true color 32-bit 60 Hz refresh rate. So you can see there are quite a lot of options. So if your PC has set it in low display resolution, you can set it over the highest and click OK. Click OK. And by this, your display will be high resolution, better than before. So if you get high resolutions by watching this video, please let me know into comment sections. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.